Good morning students, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Today we discussing about an integration, new chapter, that is integration by parts. Integration by parts. Write out integration by parts. Today we discussing about integration by parts. Before we start the integration parts, first of all we know about the Euler formula. What is Euler? I means inverse trigonometric functions. Sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x, cot inverse x. These are known as inverse trigonometric functions. Then LA means logarithm functions. Logarithm function example ln x, log x. Then A means algebraic function. Algebraic function means x square 1 x to the power n dot dot dot. Then T stand for trigonometric functions. There are 6 trigonometric functions. One is sin x, cos x, tan x, sec x, cot x, and cosec x. Next, exponential function. E to the power x, a to the power x, a not equal to 0, then 2 to the power x. Okay, so this is known as one formula that is called as Euler. I means inverse trigonometric function, L means logarithm function, A means algebraic function, T means trigonometric function, E means exponential functions. When two functions are multiplied, that is U into V, there are two functions when multiplied, then in order to find out its integration, you have to choose. This is the first. Suppose you have to take this is the first and it is the second. Then formula is U integration of V dx minus integration of d dx of U integration of V dx whole into dx. That means you need to write integration of U into V dx. This is the first and this is the second. So the value is first integration of second dx minus integration of derivative of first, then integration of second dx whole into dx. So this is the formula. Jahar order आगे पड़िबो, that is chosen as a first function. Jahar order आगे पड़िबो, that is chosen as the first function. Then second function you have to choose accordingly. So now let us take one example. Formula you remember: integration of U into V dx, U integration of V dx minus integration of derivative of U integration of V dx whole into dx. So write down one example. How can you solve the problems? Write down some examples. We have to take an integration of x e to the power x. You see here, there are two types of function. One is algebraic function, another is exponential function. देखो algebraic function आगे पड़ुଛି, a आगे पड़ुଛି, तापर exponential function पड़ुଛି. तेणु एटा को हमें फर्स्ट फंक्शन चूज करिया, एटा को हमें सेकंड फंक्शन चूज करिया. जहार ऑर्डर आगे पड़िबो सी हबो फर्स्ट फंक्शन, जहार ऑर्डर सेकंड पड़िबो सी हबो सेकंड फंक्शन. a होची जे algebraic, e होची exponential. First comes algebraic, then comes exponential. So here we choose x as a first and it is a second. So applying the formula, first means x integration of e to the power x dx minus integration of derivative of first integration of second whole into dx. This is the formula, you remember. This is the formula. So we know integration of e to the power x, the result is e to the power x minus integration Derivative of x is 1. So you have to write here it is 1. Integration of e to the power x, that is e to the power x whole into dx. Now we know that integration of e to the power x again, x e to the power x minus integration value e to the power x plus c. Now we have to take common e to the power x, e to the power x taking common, that is x minus 1 plus c. Okay, जार order आगे पड़िबो से first function होबो, जार order second पड़िबो से second function होबो. This will be chosen as according as the Euler formula. I means inverse, L means logarithm, M means algebraic, T means trigonometry, E means exponential function. Okay, so let us take another example. Another example, question number 1. Here it is question number 2. Suppose x cos x dx. We see here Euler formula, I L A T E. This is one formula you have to remember. Euler. Here there are two types of function available. One is algebraic function, another is a trigonometric function. You see here, first come algebraic function, then come trigonometric function. First come algebraic function, then come trigonometric function. So this is chosen as a first and this is chosen as a second. So what is the formula? First x integration of cos x dx minus integration of derivative of x integration of cos x dx whole into dx. Okay, so now integration of cos x, that is sin x minus derivative of x, that is 1. Integration of derivative of x, it is 1. Then integration of cos x, that is sin x whole into dx. Now integration of sin x, that is minus cos x. So write down the last part, x sin x, integration of sin x minus cos x, minus it is plus. So it is cos x plus c, where c is called the integration constant. Where c is called the integration constant. Okay, let us take another example. Write down another example. Question number 3. Integration of x sec square x into dx. You see here, there are two types of functions. One is algebraic function, another is a trigonometric function. So according to the Euler formula, algebraic function first come, then trigonometric come. So you have to choose, this is a first function and this is a second function. So apply the formula. First means x integration of second means sec square x into dx minus derivative of first integration of sec square x dx whole into dx. Okay, we know whose derivative is sec square x. So integration of sec square x, that is tan x. So write down integration of sec square x, that is tan x minus derivative of x, that is 1. So 1 integration of sec square x, that is tan x dx. We know that integration of tan x, that is ln sec x. So answer x tan x minus ln sec x plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. Let us take another example. Question number 4. Suppose only ln x. Question is coming like this. Only ln x. It is seems to be 1, but there is one function here, that is 1. One is algebraic function. So there are two types of function here. One is algebraic functions, another is a logarithmic function. So first comes logarithmic function, then comes algebraic function. So this is chosen as a first, this is chosen as a first, and this is chosen as a second. So what is the value? First, ln x integration of dx, 1 means dx, minus integration ddx of ln x integration of dx whole into dx. We know that integration of dx, derivative integration, then neutralizes to each other, that is x. So here it is x into ln x minus derivative of ln x, that is 1 by x, integration of dx, that is x into dx, x cancel. So the result will be x into ln x minus dx integration x plus c. Okay? So these are the problems by using this formula. Okay? So today I am discussing about integration by parts. The first formula we already discussed. Integration of u into v dx, u integration of v minus integration of derivative of u integration of v dx whole into dx. By using this formula, you have to work out this type of problems. Okay, thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my classes, please share it, subscribe it, and